Hey, welcome to The Explainer. We love breaking down big ideas here. And today, we're tackling something called TrashOtech. It's a really smart solution to a problem that, let's be honest, is super common and kind of messy. Public trash. Okay, let's start with a scene I'm sure you've been in. You're out and about, maybe at a train station or a mall, and you've got something to throw away. You see the bins, but they're either packed to the brim or the labels are just confusing, right? You're left standing there wondering, where does this even go? And look, it's not just you. This happens to everyone. It's this widespread problem that honestly just makes our communities a little less clean and our recycling efforts, well, not as good as they could be. It's one of those small frustrations that really adds up to a big headache. But what if there was a better way? What if technology could give us a really simple, elegant fix for this everyday problem? What if the bin itself could do all the heavy lifting for us? All right, so let's get into it. Let's talk about that solution. It's a project called TrashOtech. And yeah, the name kind of gives it away, right? It's where trash meets technology. The whole idea is to bring our public waste systems into the 21st century by, making them smart. So here's the key thing to get. This is not just a fancy-looking trash can. It's a whole intelligent system that's designed to automatically sort your waste right at the source, literally the second you throw something away. And the idea is to put these in the places that need them most, the really busy spots. We're talking railway stations, bus stands, malls, even schools and offices. Basically, anywhere you've got a ton of people, you've got a ton of trash. These are the places where smart waste management can really make a huge difference. Okay, so how does this thing actually work? How does it take all the guesswork out of throwing stuff away? Well, it all comes down to one key number, 4. So inside this bin, there's a bunch of sensors and a smart sorting mechanism. And what it does is automatically separate everything into 4 really important categories. So whether you're tossing out an old newspaper, that's dry waste, or some food scraps for wet waste, or maybe even old batteries for e-waste or a plastic bottle, it all ends up in the right spot. This is a game changer because it seriously boosts recycling rates and cuts down on all the expensive manual sorting that has to happen later. And for you, the user, it's designed to be crazy simple. You literally just walk up to it, a motion sensor opens the lid, so completely touch-free, and you just drop your trash in. That's it. The bin takes over from there. It's hygienic, it's super easy, and it's really, really effective. When you put it side by side with a regular old bin, you can really see what a huge leap this is. Besides the touchless lid and the automatic sorting, the bin itself is made from recycled plastic. It's got these cool indicator lights that tell you when a section is full, so no more overflowing messes. And it even has a system to control odors. It's just a complete upgrade across the board. So, okay, a smarter bin is cool, but why does this really matter in the big picture? What's the real impact of all this tech? Well, this is the real impact. It's so much more than just one high-tech can. We're talking about creating cleaner, more hygienic public spaces for everyone. It helps support big national cleanliness goals, like the Swachh Bharat mission, and it gently pushes all of us toward a more sustainable way of dealing with our waste. When you think about it, TrashOtech really points to a future where we can use innovative tech to solve these basic, everyday civic problems. It's about creating cleaner cities and just living more sustainably. See, by building smart tech like this into our everyday infrastructure, we're not just getting better at managing trash. We're making a real, tangible, positive change in our communities. It's a super practical step towards building those smarter, cleaner cities we're all hoping for. So really, the main takeaway is this vision for the future. A future where managing our trash isn't a chore or a messy problem, but just a seamless, clean, and intelligent part of our daily lives. A cleaner future, all powered by smarter waste.